Welcome everyone, and thank you for being here today to celebrate the groundbreaking for the new Care First Animal Hospital at Oberlin location.
We've always found that compassion, that caring. They really do care first.
First of all, I want to thank you all and welcome you to the groundbreaking of the most significant and pivotal architecture project in North Carolina in decades. Care First Animal Hospital is the first animal hospital that will achieve the Passive House certification standard in the world. This facility will stand for a long time as a shining example that all animal hospitals will aspire to emulate. It proves that Dr. Joe and Debbie Gordon, along with the entire Care First family, practitioners, are leaders in their field and in our community.
And now we can talk about how we care for our environment and the energy efficiency that this building will provide, and the enhancements to the atmosphere within.
I'd just like to say on behalf of myself, my brother Dickie, my brother Marty, and all of the staff of J.M. Thompson Company, what an honor it is to be a part of the vision of Mike and Debbie and Joe in this project. This is going to be a different building than we've ever built before, and one that you've seen around here. It's going to be very energy efficient. We're excited to be a part of that, and we thank you for that opportunity. On behalf of J.M. Thompson Company, we want to present to you this plaque. It's commencing the groundbreaking for Care First Animal Hospital to Dr. Joe and Mrs. Gordon at this time as a commemorative and a historical marker of this event. Thank you very much.
Okay.